It is the end of the day, and I want to come out here and try some more of the double fire roll technique. That right there is the Fall Dandelion. Let's try it. So I've got my tripod set up. Let's go in the garage and get the cotton balls and the top board. Double fire rolling a green plant is simply fire rolling the first time to dispel and get rid of all of that moisture. And then we'll take the driest parts of that fire roll and fire roll it in a new piece of cotton. So far we've had 3 plants work green. We started off with the bull thistle, then we tried some grass, and then we tried some of the pokeweed. So another very common weed, fall dandelion. That's too much cotton. Take some of that off. Watch the table. You can see it depositing that moisture. A lot of moisture coming out of this one. We'll let that steam dissipate. And there's always a chance that it'll ignite on the first rolling. Like that's acting like it's ignited right there. It's ignited, but it's very, very weak. Does that not blow your mind that you could take something that green and juicy and make it ignite? Let's see if we can get the flames now. Let's try some constant aeration. Oh, lost half my pine needles. That doesn't usually happen. How sweet it is. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.